We got the watermelon.
And the rubber bands. We're going to share that with you.
Welcome to the show, guys. Thanks for joining us for another episode of the BMC Show. This week, we are exploring the methods of opening a watermelon.
And during the summertime, it gets hot, and a really good snack is watermelon. But opening watermelons can be dangerous because you have to use big knives, like a samurai sword.
So, what we are doing today is using a trending method of opening a watermelon. That way, no one gets hurt. And that method is with
rubber bands!
So,
oh, baby.
What we are going to do today is open this watermelon using rubber bands. So, why don't we get started with that?
Oh, these are tight. Do they fit?
I'm already scared.
They're tight. So, how this works is the rubber bands are very tight around the watermelon. So if you put more, if you get a lot on there, it'll start squeezing the watermelon. And as we get into it further, the watermelon's going to get wicked small in the middle and big on the ends. And it's just going to blow the two ends up. I'm gonna try.
I don't know when. I don't even know what's gonna go. Does it start going in?
No, it starts going in, Brandon.
Guys, is it? I can't tell if it's Katie.
It's going in.
Oh, you guys are going doubles? You guys are...
Brandon! You have to hold the watermelon! Mason!
Guys, what if it blows up?
Mason, start getting them. Wait, no, I have more. Oh, let's do a lot. Yeah, get double. Oh, triple?
No, guys, not triple. Guys, come on. That's like asking for trouble. That's asking for trouble.
Mason, I have two right here. Brandon, actually hold it.
I'm trying.
Come on, I got a bunch. Okay. Only don't go that much.
Does this work? Like, once it goes, it goes. One second. Okay, go. Next one. Call the SWAT!
Whoa.
There's a
Call the bomb team! We're going to go double, Brandon.
No! That's stupid!
Oh my god! Hey,
No, dude. Do you want that tongue?
Why are you so
Do you want your tongue?
It's a watermelon.
Yeah, bam! Let's bring an explosive watermelon. Ah!
Why are you guys so afraid? I'll be like, ah!
Go. Don't tell me. Guys, in the middle.
Just a quick water bottle flip.
In the middle. Guys, once it. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, it's gonna go any minute now. Look how much it's bulging.
Holy crap! I want to get a close up.
No, my phone's gonna be destroyed.
Water than a sprinkler.
Why do you do like this every time?
Good. This is. My wrists aren't going to be blown up. Should we try to get a BMC Show bracelet around it?
Right, you have one on.
Yeah, no. Should we do it?
No, it's not gonna work. You should. Go for it.
I
That's
don't know.
blowing.
I'm not doing that.
That was blowing.
If that one's the one that blows it up, then I'd never be able to wear a BMC Show bracelet.
Why isn't it
We went from all sitting around it like a toasty campfire.
To
Who's gonna
like-
clean this? Maybe we shouldn't do it. You guys see enough. You guys know it's gonna.
I'm gonna put your hand on top of that. I'll grab a tongue.
Is it gonna blow or not? If you're gonna blow. Ah!
There it went! There it went! There is a nice half.
That's so good.
That's not grainy at all.
So as you guys can see, opening the watermelon like that is a lot safer.
And there's your rubber band ball.
Are you serious?
With a little bug ball going inside.
So after blowing up this rubber band, watermelon with rubber band,
You get
You can see, you
a
get-
cool rubber band ball.
a rubber band ball.
Come here. I bet there's watermelon inside.
Maybe.
Probably. And some nice
And watermelon.
watermelon.
So, as you can see, this is a lot easier and a lot safer than cutting it with a knife.
I had them already.
It's time consuming, but worth it.
And you got some watermelon juice.
So, leave a comment down below on
Ross.
if you guys aren't allowed to use a knife and are allowed to use rubber bands.
Down for the yin yang wheel.
So last week on the Yin Yang Wheel, we spun a good deed, and this is what we did. So that was our good deed. And so always, guys, thanks for watching, liking, and commenting on our videos. If this is the first video you've seen, the last video you've seen, or the millionth video you've seen. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. So, you guys can also check us out on Facebook and Instagram, where you'll probably find some behind-the-scenes videos of this video. And you guys also contact us at TheBMCShow@gmail.com. And tune in next week to see our good deed again, guys. Tune in next week to see that. And be safe with your watermelons. See you guys next week.